In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move object in Microsoft PowerPoint. We'll start by opening PowerPoint on the web. Sign into your Outlook account, then from the left sidebar, open PowerPoint. This takes you to the online version, which is perfect for quick edits and works the same across devices. You can create a new file by selecting Create Blank Presentation. So we're working on a clean slate. Next, head to the Home tab and choose Slide Layout, then pick Blank. This removes placeholder text and gives you a clear canvas, which makes it easier to see and move the objects you add. Now let's add some items to move. Go to the Insert tab and select Shapes. You'll see a gallery of shapes like rectangles, circles, arrows, and more. Choose a shape and draw it on the slide by clicking and dragging. To add more objects, repeat that process. Insert, Shapes, pick another shape, and place it on the slide. In this tutorial, we'll work with multiple objects so you can see how to move them together. After selecting your shapes, confirm by clicking Insert if prompted, and position them roughly where you want on the slide. With several objects in place, it's time to select them. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then click each object you want to move. You'll know they're selected when you see a border around each one. If you accidentally select the wrong item, keep holding Shift and click it again to deselect it. Once your objects are selected, move them as a group. Click and drag any one of the selected objects, and the rest will follow, keeping their relative positions. This is great for repositioning a cluster of icons or shapes at once. If you want more precise control, use your keyboard's arrow keys to nudge the group. This is especially helpful for fine adjustments when aligning items to text or edges. Keep an eye on the alignment guides that appear as you move objects. Those smart lines help you center or align with other elements. If your objects feel hard to grab, zoom in a bit for better accuracy. And if something lands in the wrong spot, use Undo to step back. When you're done, click anywhere on the slide to clear the selection and review your layout. That's it. You've created a blank slide, inserted multiple shapes, selected them with Shift-click, and moved them together by dragging or using the arrow keys. Practice this flow a few times and moving objects in PowerPoint will feel fast and natural.